Because you care about your truck and about getting the best parts at the best price, you need a retailer who cares as much as you do. At Trailblazers, our warehouse is stocked with millions, yes, millions of aftermarket accessories to build your truck up exactly how you want it. Lift kits, truck bed covers, winches, exterior accessories, interior accessories. If you need it, we've got it at the guaranteed lowest price in the entire United States. And you can trust our expert staff to install anything we sell. Visit Trailblazers on East New Circle Road or online at trailblazersauto.com and let us help trick your truck out for less.